Hey, welcome. I wanted to just take a moment and go over the syllabus with you in case you have any questions. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. Uh, the on the first page, it's got my information. Most of you know this already, but just in case you need it, my office on the second floor at BTC. Office hours are Tuesdays from 10 to 1 and Thursdays from 10:45 to 12:45. I am absolutely available outside of those times. However, I will say, no matter what, if you're coming to see me, if you want to meet in person, please just tell me you're coming first. And I'm saying that because I do get pulled into meetings pretty regularly. Um, and those meetings don't take in consideration if I'm in office hours or not. So before you come, just say, hey, can I come at 10 or whatever. Also, if you want to meet at a time outside of that, you just tell me. Nights and weekends, whatever. Tell me, give me your schedule, give me some options, and we'll find a time to meet, okay? Marketing analytics. I love this class. It's a lot. I'll go ahead and tell you it's a lot. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of deep diving into how the analytics side of marketing and market strategy works. Um, so I'm not going to sugarcoat it and say we're going to fly right through it because there's a lot of work. However, I love it. I love this class. We have a book in Stukent, and I know if you've made it this far in your program, you've already used Stukent at least once. So, and probably twice. Um, we also use Stukent in this class. It's the best analytics program that I have found. Um, the simulation is pretty spot on. So I have not found a better simulation yet. So communication, email. We have email, we have Blackboard messages, and we have Remind. Email is the easiest to check and Remind, obviously, um, because I check it daily. Remind, occasionally I've noticed that we're going to use Remind, and please use it anytime you want to. I've noticed sometimes my notifications will automatically turn themselves off. Not ideal, but um, I still like Remind. If you haven't found that link to our class yet, let me know and I'll send it to you. Um, we've got some. If you ever see a word outcome in a syllabus, it is the list of things that we absolutely have to cover. But usually there's a whole long list of things that you have to cover before you can get to some of these. So this looks like a short list, but it's going to take us all 15 weeks to get through it. Um, there's the attendance policy. I'm going to tell you, you need to be logging in by Monday or Tuesday of every week so that you know what's expected of you. Just because some of our stuff's in Stu-Kent doesn't mean all of our stuff's in Stu-Kent. So you need to make sure that you're checking the weekly folder and the weekly list of things to do in Blackboard so that you're never questioning what's due. Our due dates are, it says Thursday. It's not, and I'll delete that. It's Sunday nights. Also, I have a 24-hour grace period. So if something happens, your internet goes out, whatever, you have until actually Monday before um, it either shuts off or we would have to take a late penalty or something like that. So deadlines are on Sunday. You actually have 24 hours should something pop up. That does not mean the deadline's Monday. The deadline is Sunday. Okay, keep that in mind. Academic integrity means don't cheat. The use of AI is huge. I am a big AI fan. In marketing, we use AI all the time. Learn how to use it though. Use it correctly. Use it for your research. Help it. If you're writing an essay, plug it in and let AI help you with your spelling or grammar or sentence structure or whatever. Do not depend on AI to correctly answer all the things that you need to do. I ran into several problems last semester with students clearly just copying and pasting from a prompt they put in AI. And hear me when I say it did not go well. It was very evident though. Um, so, like I said, I deleting the Thursday. My apologies for that. Make sure that if we're doing paper assignments or written or typed assignments, that they're typed in Word. And a lot of the assignments that we're going to do, I'm going to send you a worksheet. Not all of them. They will be Word documents themselves. Do not type in the comments box in an assignment, and do not give me a Google Doc link or a OneDrive link or a SharePoint link from Word 365. I need you to attach the actual document. Blackboard doesn't show us the paper itself to grade if you're just submitting the link. So no links allowed. Um, that does not include, when I say you have to do everything in a Word document, that does not include discussions. It doesn't include quizzes. It doesn't include journals if we do a journal. It doesn't include anything like that. I'm talking about regular written slash typed assignments. Every now and then we're going to have a discussion question. We won't do them every week, but during those weeks, the grade is twofold. You get part of the grade comes from your answer to the discussion question itself, and the other part comes from you responding to two classmates' posts. You cannot get full credit or even an A or a B on the discussion grade if you did not respond to your classmates. So please understand that. Um, Every week I post a list of things to do. And like I said earlier, make sure you're checking that list on Monday or Tuesday of every week so that you can manage your time wisely and make sure you get things turned in on time. This is a tentative schedule, week 1, week 2, and you'll notice inside our Blackboard shell, there's a corresponding folder labeled week 1, week 2. You get the point. This is tentative, but excuse me, it's tentative, but will mostly stay the same. So I may make some edits, but we're mostly doing all of this. So you're going to get a lot of simulation on A/B testing, a lot of simulation on using Google Analytics and several other things. So it's a lot of work. I'm not going to sugarcoat that, but dig in, jump in with both feet, and you're going to be fine. If you need the important phone numbers, campus security, that kind of stuff, they're there on the screen. Please put them in your cell phone. Make sure you're reading the Student Code of Conduct handbook. Also, if you need accommodations, make sure you're meeting with Disability Services. They'll give you an accommodation letter, and you'll have to give that to me. I cannot get that letter from them. It has to come from you. So I'm going to stop there. Once you've looked it over, if you have any questions, let me know. When you click next after this video, it's going to take you to the course agreement form syllabus quiz. Make sure that you have your syllabus out and handy and ready because it's going to ask you some questions about information in the syllabus. And it's not a gotcha to see what you memorized, which is why I want you to have the syllabus open. It's more of a, did you take note of the important things that I need you to remember? That's what those questions are. So go ahead and take your syllabus quiz course agreement now. And if you look things over and you have questions, just let me know. Shoot me an email. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.